What do you think it is?
Oh, I don't know. Oh, it's a snowman.
What is it?
Oh.
A Spider-Man hat!
Yeah!
Whoa!
I love it!
You love it?
And it's gonna be
Let's see the face.
Let's put this on you. Yes. Yes, you do. Go ahead.
Oh, this from over here.
Yeah, one over there. This is my area. This is my area.
That's your area?
I think that's a book.
Well, let him open it first.
Yeah.
I think
That's a good guess.
It's an apple
What is it,
book.
Kevin?
It's an apple book.
We love Elmo.
Yeah. Show Daddy.
Let me see, Kevin.
Daddy.
Is it time for you to go in a big bed?
Here, Daddy.
All right, wait.